guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the clockwork crew, so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday like clockwork. Yes, I'm in the car. Yes, we're about to be on the move. I don't have a car mount because it's in my closet somewhere and I don't want to get it, but today is another makeup artist vlog. This is makeup artist vlog number 2. I will be working with Chantel Nicole, that's my boo, on her photo shoot for her upcoming project. Video will be out soon. I'm excited. Are you excited? You asked for it, so I'm bringing it. I'm currently getting ready to grab some gas, pick up a few last minute items, and grab Raccoon. Y'all know that is my right hand, and he's gonna do all my behind the scenes. So, if you guys are ready to see vlog number 2, me on set working, and y'all better be because I asked for it, keep on watching. Okay, guys, so picked up Raccoon like I said.
I met your hair.
We do. So now we're gonna actually head over to the studio and get started. So when you guys see me, we'll be all set up and do my thing. I would do it again because they didn't see.
Set up.
Wait.
Set up.
Okay, whatever. He's so annoying. Catch you guys at the studio.
Why would I even bring that up?
I didn't. Shit, that's not even playing you. You just did a good job.
Because like some people like to brag.
I've been thinking about you. I'm like, wow, that sounds so.
That was really scary. I'm scared.
I've been thinking about you. I'm like, oh, please don't.
The funny thing is when you would tell me about my skin, and I was like, girl, the way I broke out the other day.
Oh!
But I
Me
can troubleshoot
too.
my skin crazy.
You know what? I break up badly too. I always use cortisone cream. I know my skin is getting really bad. I'm like, I had a rash because I went to the color factory. Have you seen the color? They have the ball pit, right? Oh, that's the biggest hype. The balls were greased.
First of all, I didn't go to my friend's son bounce house. I was like, your baby coughed.
Oh, crap.
I'm not going in there. And y'all
Your baby
didn't
coughed.
spray. I said, y'all didn't spray.
안녕하세요. 저는 제니입니다. 지금
You said all of that.
오늘
You said all of that.
Are we putting subtitles?
Not for the people. Not for the people.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Me llamo Chantel Nicole.
Okay, but she actually speaks Spanish. I don't know why.
What's your song called? Like It? Is that what it's called? Did I make that up?
Yeah, no, song called.
I like that song.
Thank you.
Sorry.
He has to ask. He makes things up.
Yeah, sometimes I just be like, maybe
Me
that's not
too.
right.
I have a really bad problem with Mandela effect. Like I'll sit there and say, I'll think something says, like I'll think there's a line in a movie.
Because your eyebrows are different.
And like, no, I made that up. I wrote that movie. My bad.
Yeah, no, I got it. I literally have only been doing makeup, like including my own makeup, for 3 years. And you didn't even do it for like cheap? I didn't even do my... No. I would like practice on my friends for free, but that's not... After that I was like, yeah, no. Use the brush, use the brush. What? No, this is just for your brows. I'm just saying, use the brush.
You want
my brush?
pictures? Yeah, definitely.
Alright guys, first look is down. We have the artist herself, Chantel Nicole. Oh, I don't know what that was, but
Who is that?
that was fine. You know who this is. You know who this is. First look is down and we are moving. We had pizza. It was good as hell.
That was cool.
But I was so hungry it didn't even matter. So
Behind the chair.
check in after look number 2.
You can either give me the
Okay, that's literally a wrap. It is now 1:27. I left my house at like 11:30. So
Yeah, I'm tired.
this is it.
Not much to say.
I'm not even gonna do my outro when I go home. I gotta do this right now. Guys, if you like the video, make sure you go ahead and like the video. It helps me out a lot. Look at this man.
Sorry.
Thank you. Helps me out a lot, and it lets me know that you guys want to see more of this. So if you do want to see more of this and you want to see more of me, make sure you do that for me. And if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork Crew so you can be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday.
Oh.
Every single Monday, like clockwork. You heard it here first. Guys, I'm tired. So get on my face.